Can you stay there? Oh please. Yes. So hi everybody, so maybe I think Mussa and trying to record some videos and trying to making videos, cool videos about electronics projects. This is not electronics, so I want to know how to do this, how to work through it. Yeah, other things I made is something like a little toy but special. This one, don't fall down. You can see this, it's a little toy but it's full on work. And this is a car, and this is remote control. Turn on, and this is on, and it's cool. Yeah. You see, it's cool. Everything's fine. Let me turn on light. Yeah, right here. You can see. Cool. Working fine. So I'm just trying to make this simple car, but it's still complicated. If you see right here at the top, this is a controller that's run the whole project, car project. Yeah, and this is a solar panel for charging battery while it's on the go. And if it's just playing on some sunrise area, it can recharge your battery, so it's cool. And what I'm trying to making this thing is look like, for now, as you can see, it's a toy, but for the future this is not a toy. Yeah, you should remember that, because this is a spy car. It is it's involved, yeah, like that. It have the camera, wireless camera, so you can control even the camera. I can put the receiver. This is my phone right here, like that. You can see, and then I start control this car like this. Yeah. So, and the camera is be somewhere here. And I will record about that video. So this is just I'm trying to record the vlog, so I don't know what the video is about. Anyway, this is Mussa, and involve different Arduino projects. It's cool, fine, and I'm just homemade, so everything here is homemade. See here, whatever, if you see this or this, your many bubbles. So I'm trying to deal with circuits design, so this is my work every day. So I think I want to wear my sunglasses so I can feel comfortable. So thank you for watching, guys. What about this? I think I'm going to make some drone. Yeah, drone, and this is it. You can see this. It's too far. This is a home assistance project. So home assistance project. It's involved. It's cool. So you will find it. You should follow me on my YouTube account, so you can see this when I finish. Yeah, I think you understand that. This is Arduino kit. So if you just purchase online, you can receive like this. Okay, I think this is Arduino kit. You can try to buy one and you make some project. Yeah, so it's fine. It's fine. So I made a defensive project. So I think it's time to record videos about that project itself. For everyone you want to see, you can check on my YouTube channel, browser, I mean blogger, whatever. Everything is in the description. So have a nice day. Thank you. I'm just trying to make a video if I can. Yeah. This sucks. My son.